Hey, what are you doing up there, little one? Get down from that crane right now. Ah! I can't control it. What's happening? Dad, please help me. It's going to catch me. It's over. The monster is destroyed. The black chef cat pulls out a strange green bottle filled with poison. Suddenly, the little kitten clutches his stomach. Something is terribly wrong. The brave kitten secretly takes a photo of the evil chef cooking noodles in the dirty bathroom. The principal calls the police cats immediately. Justice must be served.
Huh?
The police handcuff the black chef as terrified kittens surround him, shouting in anger.
In a world where tuna is guarded like treasure, One cat walks in slow motion, sunglasses on, whiskers twitching. Meet Milo. Deep inside a top-secret cardboard box HQ, the feline crew gathers. The mission? Risky. The reward? Delicious. The objective is revealed, a glowing can of tuna, sitting atop the fridge, locked in the vault. Agent Luna unveils the house blueprint, but uh-oh, Rocky's already chewed half of it. Step 1. Distraction. Rocky fakes being sick, like a true dramatic artist. While the human is distracted, Luna sneaks past, dragging a yarn-made grappling hook. The Roomba roars to life. Luna and Milo hop on like pros, riding it straight to the fridge. But disaster strikes. The Roomba goes haywire, crash, straight into the litter box. Milo slips. He falls into a bag of cat food. Boom, kibble explodes everywhere. They reach the final obstacle. Red motion sensor lasers, guarding the tuna like it's the crown jewels. Luna suits up. Strainer helmet? Check. Diving goggles? Double check. Milo noodles through the lasers, stretching, twisting, and stuck. Rocky charges in to save him but lands on the toaster. Bzzzt, the lights flicker. Footsteps, the human hears. She's coming, suspicion in her eyes. Luna grabs the walkie-talkie toy. Code hairball, code hairball. Rocky faints, splat. The human picks him up, totally fooled. Now's the chance. Milo climbs drawer by drawer. Up, up, up. He opens the vault. A glow surrounds him. Angelic music plays. The tuna. But an alarm triggers. Wheew! All cats scream and scatter. Milo drops the can. Rocky catches it midair, like a champ. Chaos everywhere. Luna surfs the Roomba down the hallway, dodging slippers and flying socks. The human chases them with a broom, shouting, "Who touched the fridge?" And then, silence. The cats vanish, under the couch. Not a whisker in sight. They gather round. The moment is here. Claws and teeth open the tuna can. It's empty. Gasp. Luna chuckles nervously. Oops, that was the decoy. Milo's eye twitches.